Would you like to learn how to make the most perfect pasta salad? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Okay, let's get started by making our pasta. The exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. So any kind of pasta will do. I'm using tri-colored spiral pasta. Be sure to salt your water so we can start getting some flavor into the pasta. And only cook it for about 7 minutes. We need it to be al dente so that it can hold up with all the liquids that we're going to be adding. After the pasta is done, drain it and rinse it with cold water. That'll stop the cooking process. And then put the pasta to the side and let's get started on the other stuff. Now to a bowl, I'm going to add some chopped up cucumbers and red onions and some yellow bell peppers, some red bell peppers, as well as some orange bell peppers. Any kind of bell peppers will do. I like these colors because they're sweeter. Also add some chopped tomatoes and black olives. Then add that pasta right on in. And also add your favorite cheese. I'm using Colby Jack. And you know we gotta wake up the party with some good old bacon. If you don't eat pork, I hope things get better for you. You could use turkey bacon, then add in some zesty Italian dressing. Next, I'm gonna go in with some ranch seasoning, as well as some salad and vegetable seasoning. And then I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning too. And lastly, I'll add just a pinch of white pepper. And then I'll mix everything up and get everything all nice and well combined. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. This pasta salad was simply perfectly delicious. You carry this pasta salad right on down to the cookout, and you can thank me later. Well, I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Subscribe and you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.